really hungry. I want to go get some food to eat. So I had lunch like literally like 1 hour ago. I think I should like go out to study also. I'm like on the way to this cafe near my house that I've already featured multiple times in my vlogs. I really wanted bubble tea, but it was so expensive to just order 1 cup. You know what? Maybe I could do the change of environment because I was feeling very sluggish. Like I kept lying on my sofa and just doing random shit. So this is the fit. I'm beginning to seriously appreciate the fact that we don't have to wear masks outdoors anymore because I've said so much. The moment I crossed to Bukit Timah, it started raining. By the way, the title of this essay is me reactivating my last brain cell for my final in my life. Final. Yeah. Shibuya Crossing, Singapore edition. Essential when going out is a handkerchief because it's so freaking warm. Why do the birds sing? So it's the way that I walked in immediately knowing that I'm gonna get this book. The honeysuckle melodies before my day's alarm. I imagine they're rehearsing for some big elaborate show that I've not been invited to, so I should never. Night at the cinema. We're gonna watch Everything Everywhere all at once. I can watch it now also because I actually know what's going on. Okay, thank you. Sorry. See you later. Finally got home. Oh my god, it's like almost 11. But it's because we watched Everything Everywhere all at once and that movie was I'm not sure whether I like it. It was entertaining and I did cry a lot, but I'm not really a big fan of these type of movies with this multi-dimensional superhero thing because I feel like it just allows for any sort of logic to be bypassed. You know what I mean? So it's like anything goes really in these films. Entertaining, to say the least. And I can't believe Jamie Lee Curtis was the freaking tax agent because, oh my gosh, she looks so different. I mean, I think they intentionally made her ugly, but she used to be so hot, like. Hi! It's Saturday and I actually haven't vlogged all day because I'm just doing work. I'm kind of behind my revision schedule, but I'm sure I can make it work. Delusional girl! Today, I've been focusing on studying topics that were tested before my midterms and I literally can't remember what was happening. I'm going to be doing 2 topics today, 2 topics tomorrow, and spend Monday and Tuesday just like really cramming everything into my brain. I made like these flippables. So they're supposed to act as like flashcards, except that they are much more easy to carry around and make because it's just one sheet of paper. These are all the concepts and these are the explanations of formulas. I'm actually about to go out now to eat dinner with David. Yeah, I'll vlog that because that's the fun part. not gonna lie, I'm starting to feel a little bit tired of studying. Like, I have not even been like studying so intensely the past 2 days, but I'm studying like the earlier few topics. I literally can't remember what's going on. Like, this is my midterm. I got 20 marks out of 30, which was actually above average. And I'm looking at how I solved everything, and I have no idea. I have no idea what this all means. Maybe to make myself a bit more motivated, I'm listening to this Parisian morning or French playlist to hype myself up. Like, oh my god, okay, pain is temporary. Europe trip soon. Oh my god, I swear. Siapa? Going to the gym. It's like a little late already, it's like 8 AM, but it's fine. I just left the library because my charger wasn't working, and Praveen has a charger, so I'm gonna meet Praveen for lunch and then use his charger. This is like completely spontaneous. Like 3:44 PM and I'm really just redoing some of the questions which I thought would, things that I think will come out, and I am reinforcing my knowledge of them so that it comes more naturally tomorrow. I took a long nap just now. I took a long break, like a 3-hour break. I don't know why I have like no sense of urgency. Like, zero. Nada, nilch. Officially 12 hours away to my exam, and I swear I'm so unmotivated. Like, I'm still reading this. Like, the words are just not registering in my brain. I'm like reading it but not processing it. Okay, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. It's all gonna be fine. I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna get a B+. My exam is at 9 AM. We got 6:30. Okay, let's do this. I'm just ready to do a bare minimum, pass this exam and get this degree. I cannot remember anything. I feel like nothing is in my brain right now. Okay, I'm gonna revise this again later. This morning I tried doing a question and I didn't know how to do it. Even though I did it like 3 times before. So fuck! Nothing in this brain. School is out! Oh my god! Yay! I don't know how it went. Like, it's not as bad as I thought, but some of the answers are kind of weird. But I said that for the last exam. So, like, I could answer almost everything. But, like, I'm not sure the answers were correct. But I hope I get at least method marks. Oh, I had to pee damn bad. Like, I had to hold my pee for like over an hour. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I watched Fantastic Beasts, I got my lash lift, went to eat dinner with David. It's been a great day. So happy to be done with uni. Peace out. See you all in the next video.